Hey guys, so I know it's been a while, but we're back and we're gonna get some work in. So right now, the plan for this weekend is to get the motor out and basically to run through the motors, the time belt section, make sure everything is correct on that side, break the transmission down, and just basically check through it to make sure the gear set is correct, rethread some of the holes that are kind of messed up on it, and then put it back into a fresh engine bay, and then work on to the next step. So far this is all we've had done. We got the Prelude center console. I don't know how this thing goes on, so I have to look up to see how it is. This is just a one I got for dirt cheap. Just want to see if it would fit. And that is the CRV shifter underneath the car. So I'm gonna have to basically, we're making a plate that bolts on the bottom of this, and this will bolt onto it. So that's probably gonna be the last thing we do once we have the engine back in, and make sure we have the correct placement for the actual where the shifter is gonna go, because the cables seem to be a little tight. So we're gonna see if we can navigate to get a little bit more room to pull it back to down here, or if it's just gonna be right here. So in due time. So far we've taken off the whole front end, everything in the front. Later on in the week we're going to be working on taking off the rad support once the engine is out and cleaning up inside the bay. So right now we're going to start by taking off the drive shaft. Yes, the drive shaft. Something new we didn't pick up. First, what we're going to do is we're going to start with taking off those bolts that are connected to the transfer case, because as you can see where it is, it's gonna hit the steering rack. Okay, so the drive shaft bolts were removed. Now we have to take out the 312 that's holding the shifter bracket and place on the transmission. Once those are out, then we can start working on taking out this custom mount in the back. So it should be 3. Here is 1, 2 is over there, and 3 is right here. There it is, it's out. Came out pretty easy with the transfer case. It's just dirty. So with the mounts, everything made, so now it's time to just take it apart, clean it up, repaint the engine and transmission, make it clean, then redo the bay. Right here is the bracket that my friend made so we can mount the shifter into the transmission, into the tunnel, sorry, into the vehicle, because we're using the CRV, so we had to make an adapter plate, which is what this is, bolted to the factory location, and it's curved to fit the contour of the tunnel. Put it on and drop the new CRV or whichever shifter I'm going to run onto that, make new bolt patterns, and then bolt it up. So, and to also figure out the actual situation on this car. So we're at Lime Rock today. This is the parking / staging area. Portions of the track over there. It's a pretty high elevation, but it's a very beautiful track to drive on, beautiful view. It's a bit cold at the moment, but once everything starts up, we should be able to get some more footage of the car driving. So, racetrack time, literally. A whole bunch of Porsches, the usual Miatas. And there's a little Ford GT running around here. Can't forget the Corvettes. parking lot edition. GT3s. A lot of those are here today. I think this was at the last event that we went to. Yep. I don't know what this little thing is, but I'm interested in it. Little 10-inch wheels. Clean. Fully tuned race setup. This definitely is not a daily, guys. So